Welcome to USA Smart Shop. If you are looking for the best electric cooler to keep your food and drinks cold on the go, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best electric coolers available today. These coolers are selected based on cooling performance, capacity, portability, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Igloo BMX Cooler Insulated Hard Shell Ice Chest. The Igloo BMX Cooler is built for durability and reliable ice retention in tough outdoor conditions. It features a heavy-duty hard shell construction that is designed to handle camping trips, tailgating, beach outings, and extended outdoor adventures without cracking or warping. This cooler uses thick foam insulation that helps keep ice frozen for multiple days, even in warm environments. The insulated lid fits tightly to reduce air exchange, which improves cooling efficiency and keeps contents cold for longer periods. The reinforced base and sturdy sidewalls provide excellent structural strength, allowing the cooler to handle rough handling during transport. The rubberized latches are secure yet easy to open, preventing accidental spills while still offering quick access to drinks and food. A molded carry handle makes transporting the cooler easier, even when fully loaded. The compact yet spacious interior allows for efficient storage of cans, bottles, and ice without wasted space. The Igloo BMX Cooler is ideal for users who want a simple, rugged ice chest with no electronics, minimal maintenance, and dependable cold performance for outdoor use. Number 2. Bodega Cooler 12-volt car refrigerator dual-zone app control, designed with removable two-way door portable freezer, 75 quart 4 degrees Fahrenheit-68 degrees Fahrenheit RV electric cooler 12/24 VDC and 100-240 VAC for camping, travel, RV. The Bodega Cooler 75 quart car refrigerator is a powerful portable cooling solution designed for long road trips, camping, RV living, and off-grid travel. Its large capacity provides ample space for food, beverages, and frozen items. This unit features a dual-zone design, allowing users to set different temperatures for separate compartments. This makes it possible to refrigerate drinks while freezing meat or ice cream at the same time. With a temperature range from -4 degrees to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, the compressor cooling system delivers fast and consistent temperature control. The unit performs reliably even in hot outdoor conditions. App control allows users to monitor and adjust temperatures remotely from a smartphone, adding convenience during travel. The removable two-way door offers flexible access depending on how the refrigerator is positioned. The cooler supports 12 and 24-volt DC power for vehicles as well as 100 to 240-volt AC power for home or campsite use. This versatility makes it suitable for cars, trucks, RVs, boats, and indoor use. Overall, the Titan by Arctic Zone Deep Freeze Zipperless Hardbody Cooler offers a balanced combination of insulation strength, smart organization, and user-friendly design. It is an excellent option for anyone looking for a reliable, portable cooler that performs well in real-world outdoor situations. This refrigerator is built for users who need large capacity, advanced controls, and dependable cooling performance on the road. Number 3. Permasteel 80 quart Party Cooler, rolling ice chest with wheels and handles for indoor-outdoor patio. The Permasteel 80 quart Party Cooler is designed specifically for entertaining large groups and hosting outdoor gatherings where easy access to cold drinks is essential. Its large 80 quart capacity allows it to hold dozens of cans, bottles, and a generous amount of ice, making it ideal for barbecues, pool parties, backyard events, and patio use. The cooler features a durable steel exterior that adds both strength and visual appeal. Unlike basic plastic coolers, this metal construction gives it a premium look that blends well with outdoor furniture and entertaining spaces. The insulated interior lining helps maintain cold temperatures for extended periods, keeping beverages chilled throughout long events. Built-in rolling wheels make it easy to move the cooler even when fully loaded. This is especially useful during parties where repositioning may be needed between indoor and outdoor areas. Side handles provide additional control and stability when lifting or guiding the cooler. A built-in bottle opener adds convenience, allowing guests to open drinks without searching for tools. The drain plug makes it easy to remove melted ice quickly, simplifying cleanup after the event. The lid opens smoothly and provides wide access to contents, reducing crowding during use. This cooler is best suited for users who prioritize capacity, mobility, and presentation for social gatherings and entertainment-focused environments. Number 4. Titan by Arctic Zone Deep Freeze Cooler Zipperless Hardbody Cooler, Deep Freeze Insulation, Hardbody Liner, and Smart Shelf. The Titan by Arctic Zone Deep Freeze Zipperless Hardbody Cooler is designed for users who want strong ice retention, easy access, and lightweight portability without the bulk of a traditional hard cooler. This model focuses on convenience and insulation performance, making it well suited for day trips, beach outings, camping, tailgating, fishing, and outdoor work. One of the standout features is the zipperless flip-top lid. Instead of dealing with zippers that can jam or break, the cooler uses a patented hard lid that flips open smoothly with one hand. This design allows quick access to drinks and food while reducing cold air loss, helping maintain internal temperatures for longer periods. It is especially useful when opening the cooler frequently throughout the day. The deep freeze insulation system uses multiple layers of high-performance thermal insulation. This construction helps keep ice frozen for extended hours, even in warm outdoor conditions. Compared to standard soft coolers, this model provides noticeably better cooling performance while still remaining easy to carry and transport. Inside the cooler is a hardbody liner that adds structure and protects contents from being crushed. The liner also makes cleaning easier, as spills can be wiped out quickly without soaking into fabric. A removable smart shelf is included, allowing users to separate dry food such as sandwiches, snacks, and fruit from ice and drinks below. This prevents food from becoming soggy and keeps items better organized. The exterior material is rugged and water-resistant, designed to handle outdoor environments such as sand, grass, and dirt. Reinforced stitching and durable panels improve long-term durability, making it suitable for repeated use over multiple seasons. The cooler holds its shape well even when fully loaded. Number 5. Yuumi 12-volt refrigerator, 19QD, 18L, compressor electric cooler app control, car fridge -4 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Fahrenheit, portable refrigerator 12/24 VDC 100-240 VAC, portable freezer for camping, travel, boat. The Yuumi 19-quart portable refrigerator is a compact yet powerful cooling solution designed for travel, camping, road trips, and vehicle-based use. Despite its small footprint, it delivers reliable compressor-driven cooling with precise temperature control. The temperature range from -4 degrees to 68 degrees Fahrenheit allows it to function as both a refrigerator and a freezer. This flexibility makes it suitable for storing frozen foods, fresh groceries, beverages, and temperature-sensitive items during trips. The compressor system cools quickly and maintains stable temperatures even in hot outdoor conditions. App control allows users to monitor and adjust settings remotely, offering added convenience when the unit is placed in a trunk, RV, or campsite. The digital display panel provides clear temperature readings and easy manual control. This refrigerator supports 12 and 24-volt DC power for vehicles as well as 100 to 240-volt AC power for home or hotel use. Energy-efficient operation helps reduce battery drain, making it safe for extended use during travel. Integrated carry handles and a lightweight build make it easy to transport and reposition. This unit is ideal for solo travelers, couples, and anyone needing dependable cooling in a compact, portable format. That's our list of the top 5 best electric coolers here on USA Smart Shop. Each cooler offers different benefits depending on your outdoor or travel needs. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.